Hi guys, so I'm wearing my apron today because we are gonna be doing some serious cooking. We're gonna be doing a whole meal prep. As you can see, this is like time travel because I've already cooked everything, but I'm gonna take you back. And this is like a tropical / Caribbean inspired meal prep. I did banana muffins, I did grilled tofu, I did curried pumpkin seeds and beans and rice, just so delicious. This video is sponsored by Thrive Market, the online market where I buy a lot of my pantry staples, and a lot of the ingredients that I use for today's recipes came from Thrive Market. They came straight to my door, which is awesome, especially these days. Thrive is offering a free gift up to $24 of your choice if you sign up today using my link down below. But I love Thrive and I love these recipes also. So let's get started. First, we want to get the beans cooking. I'm using my Instant Pot, but you can do this on the stovetop too. Saute onions, garlic, and red bell pepper in oil. I'm using avocado oil. Once the onions are translucent, add 1 pound of black beans and enough water to cover the beans. Also add some veggie bouillon paste. Pressure cook for 30 minutes on high. Do 15 minutes if your beans were soaked. To make the coconut rice, simply add rinsed white rice to your Instant Pot, followed by coconut milk, water, and salt. Pressure cook for 3 minutes. If you're using an Instant Pot, let the beans release their pressure naturally before opening. And let the rice release pressure for 7 minutes before doing a quick release and opening. Both should be tender and that rice should be nice and fluffy. Now we'll make the curried pepitas. Simply add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to the pumpkin seeds and stir. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir well. Spread the pumpkin seeds evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Toast for 8 minutes at 350 degrees or until fragrant and golden. Let them cool completely. While I prep, I always have to make myself a little snack. Now for the sweet potatoes. We gotta make our sweet potatoes. Cube a couple of sweet potatoes and then transfer them to a baking sheet. Add some oil, I'm using avo oil again, and toss to coat. Sprinkle on some salt and oregano and then spread evenly onto the baking sheet. Roast for 40 minutes at 350 or 375 degrees. These can roast while you're also making the pepitas. So a lot of the ingredients that I'm using for today's meal plan came from Thrive Market. I like to buy a lot of my pantry staples from them just because they come straight to my door. They have really affordable prices and they have really high quality ingredients, sustainable, all that good stuff that I really like. So for example, I buy my oils from Thrive Market. This is olive oil, this is avocado oil. Coconut sugar. For the banana muffins, I'm using this almond flour, really nice big bag from Bob's Red Mill. And y'all know I like to save money. On Thrive Market, the average member saves $32 per order. Now that's a lot of savings and I'm all for it. I usually fill my cart up, just as I go through the week when I think of it, and I'm like, oh, I need more coconut oil, or oh, I need more almond flour. I just add it through the app. Once it's over $49, because that's how you unlock free shipping, then I will place my order. They have 2 different membership options. One is a monthly, which is $9.95. If you want to give it a test, see how you like it for 1 month, you can sign up for that. Or you can sign up for the yearly, which is $59.95 for the whole year, which is a lot more savings. That's the one that I have. And if you sign up for the yearly, you can try it risk-free for 30 days before really committing. So you do you, whichever you prefer. Shea Butter, Alafia, Black-owned company is where it's at. So anyway, here's Thrive Market for you. Let's get back to our recipes. Now we will make some banana muffins for a sweet snack. I make these for baby Jay. Combine whole wheat pastry flour, almond flour, coconut flour, and teff flour in a bowl, along with baking soda. Mash the ripe banana. And to that add 1 flax egg, oat milk, and vanilla extract. Don't forget the coconut sugar. Whisk well and then add the wet to the dry ingredients and mix. Pour the batter into muffin cups and top with banana. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes, 30 minutes if you're using larger muffin cups. Now we're moving on to the tofu. To make a marinade / dressing, add minced garlic, fresh lime juice, vinegar, maple syrup, mustard, cumin seeds, and avocado oil to a jar. Shake until emulsified. My tofu is wrapped in a towel because I've been pressing it for the last hour. Slice the tofu into thin strips and then place it back into the tofu container. And pour the marinade over that. Let it marinate for at least 20 minutes before transferring it to a baking dish that can withstand broiling temperatures. I'm actually going to use my cast iron grill pan to make this, so it's basically grilled tofu. Stick it in the oven on broil and cook for 10 minutes. Make sure to carefully flip the tofu halfway through. Once that is done, we'll work on my tropical pesto. To a food processor, add fresh cilantro, stems included, garlic, lime juice, toasted coconut, and salt. Also, you can add half of a seeded jalapeno pepper if you want it spicy. Add olive oil as it blends and blend it until you have a coarse paste. This pesto is my new favorite thing. Really, the lime, coconut, and cilantro, that combination is just perfection. And I used to make this a lot with pumpkin seeds instead of the coconut, but since I was gonna do these curried pepitas, I figured that would be just too many pumpkin seeds. So, tropical, what else could I do? Coconut, obviously. While we have the food processor out, let's prep our veggies. Use the shredder attachment to shred a few cups of red cabbage and the grater attachment to grate a few carrots. Place that into a mixing bowl and add the rest of the tofu marinade. Use your hands to massage the cabbage and add a little bit of salt as well. Now we're done! I like to do meal prep like this because it's not that much work and I can still use like the beans in a salad or the tofu in a sandwich or the sweet potatoes just for a snack. Or, you know, there's different like ways I can use all of this stuff despite it all sort of having like a cohesive, you know, tropical theme. Let's put it in some containers, shall we? So I'm just gonna throw these in the freezer. Okay, so here are all of our, everything we prepped, aside from the muffins, of course, they're the muffins. So we have the pumpkin seeds, the red cabbage slaw, the cilantro coconut pesto, white rice, white coconut rice, tofu and sweet potatoes, and we have the beans, and we have our banana muffins. So proud of myself. I did really good. Even though I filmed this, it went by pretty quickly. Looking at my other camera, looking good. Let's plate all this now, shall we? Since this is a back to school meal prep, let's bento box it. You can do this however you want, but I like to put the cabbage slaw with the rice and beans because that assures that it will get eaten. There you go, a bento box. Perfect for an adult or a kid, and it's super nutritious, well balanced, and super delicious, like for real. I'm gonna take some photos and then I'm going to eat it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy all the recipes that make up this wonderful meal prep, and I hope you give it a try. And thirdly, I just hope it makes your life a little easier, because it definitely makes mine a lot easier. And to have something so beautiful and colorful, you just feel like, yes, I'm ready to eat well, and I feel good about my decisions in life. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more meal prep videos, if you find these helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. Thanks again to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Remember, you guys can sign up with my link down below, and when you sign up today, you can choose a gift up to a $24 value. So my link down below, and also they have the 2 different membership options, the $9.95 a month, or save money with the $59.95 a year, so $5 a month. That's the one that I have. That's the one that I love and recommend, and you can try it risk-free for 30 days, so nothing to lose there. So yeah, give Thrive Market a try as well. Try all these recipes, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. So thanks for watching. Bye! Time to eat.